neighborhood.
Yeah. This is the Batasan Hills, Quezon City. Ay, hala, nandito pa rin, oh. Ay, ganun pa rin siya. Dami na siyang paninda doon, oh.
Oh, look, that's like a little market right there.
Ay, marami na siyang, ano, tulay.
There's a market right there, Grace.
Yeah.
They sell clothes, fruit.
Nandito na si Patuda, oh.
Iba na.
Iba na nga, oh.
Oh, I like the little yellow one.
Turo mo yung bahay.
This is where I live.
Saan yung bahay namin dati?
Ayan, yun na yung ospital.
Oh. Dito. Oh, okay.
Ayan yung ospital na malaki pa baba.
Oo, dyan kami dati nakatira. We lived there before, Mike, where the hospital is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayun na, diba?
Grace getting excited.
Oh my goodness, it's very different now.
I'm sure.
Ito yung burger machine dati.
Yeah, oo. Wala na. Nandito pa rin yung mga ganito, mga gulong-gulong. Kumikita din sila.
Si Win, wala talagang flowers.
Grabe, no?
Ito, ang lawak na. Nag-road widening na dito.
Nandito pa rin yung Andox, Win, oh.
Yan pa.
See, home sweet home, Grace.
Yeah, home sweet home. Oh my goodness. Our place is already gone in there. They demolished it. This is women's school. This one here.
This is a school.
Oh, this is the Polytechnic,
That's where
right?
I graduated from high school.
From high school.
Oh yeah, look at them all with their uniforms and stuff.
Meron ng bagong building na naman doon, oh. Eskulahan din yun. Galing, ah. Nandun na daw sila. Yeah, this is how my life before, Mike. We ride on this tricycle, going outside, and then we're gonna ride on a bus or a jeepney.